Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I'm Lance, your host, and today I'm going to successfully be teaching you how to win battles on the battlefield of airsoft. Now, always make sure your clip is full. If it ain't full, that's very devastating. You try to pull up an opponent, boom, nothing comes out, you're screwed. Always make sure your battery is always charged full because you want to make them scream like little bitches as much as you can. Now, I'm going to teach you about safety, but first, let's take a hit of our salvia. Now you want to hold that in as long as you can. Now, after the rules and terms and agreements have been set at the battle range, you want to turn your safety off to semi-automatic or fully automatic, in which my case is going to be fully automatic. After that time, you want to get into a place that's feasible. Covered, and where you're not being seen by people. or what's the word I'm looking for? Hell, I don't know. Fuck. Alright. Seriously. Fucking whatever else supposed to be doing. Oh, sorry. I think I'm supposed to be teaching something here. Well, I hope those tips have helped you. Sure fucking help me. I'm Lance, your host.